Parsley is a real winner in the kitchen. It's fresh, it's bright, and it makes everything taste better. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, don't underestimate this little herb. It's often overlooked, but parsley can be a game changer. It adds flavor to any dish, from appetizers to main courses, and even side dishes. You can use parsley in tons of recipes. It's great for sauces, soups, and salads. Imagine a fresh, vibrant salad with a sprinkle of parsley on top. It also livens up meat and fish dishes. A simple grilled fish can be transformed with a touch of parsley. Parsley is easy to find at the grocery store. It's usually available year-round, and you can even grow it yourself at home. Imagine stepping out into your garden and picking fresh parsley. Just a little bit of parsley goes a long way in the kitchen. A pinch here and there can elevate your dishes, so why not give parsley a try? Experiment with it in your favorite recipes. You might be surprised how much you love it. Your family and friends will appreciate the added flavor and freshness. There are two main types of parsley, curly leaf and flat leaf. They both taste delicious, but they have slightly different uses. Curly leaf parsley is the most common type. It's got a mild flavor that's perfect for garnishing. You can also use it in sauces and soups. Flat leaf parsley has a stronger flavor. It's great for sauces, soups, and salads. You can even use it to make pesto. When you're choosing parsley, look for bright green leaves. Avoid bunches with wilted or yellow leaves. Parsley is so versatile in the kitchen. This humble herb can transform your dishes in ways you might not expect. You can use it in so many different ways. From garnishing to being a key ingredient, parsley is a must-have in your culinary arsenal. Add a handful of chopped parsley to your favorite pasta sauce. It not only enhances the flavor, but also adds a burst of color to your dish. It will brighten up the flavor and make it taste even better. The freshness of parsley can elevate a simple pasta dish to a gourmet experience. Sprinkle some chopped parsley over a salad for a fresh, herby taste. It adds a delightful crunch and a pop of green that makes any salad more appealing. You can even use parsley to make your own flavored oils and vinegars. These infusions can be used in dressings, marinades, or simply drizzled over dishes for an extra layer of flavor. Just add a few sprigs of parsley to a bottle of olive oil or vinegar and let it infuse for a few weeks. The result is a fragrant, flavorful oil or vinegar that can enhance a variety of dishes. Section 4. Keeping your parsley perky. Fresh herbs like parsley don't last forever, but there are tricks to make them last longer. With a few simple steps, you can extend the life of your parsley and keep it vibrant and green. After buying parsley, don't leave it in the plastic bag. The plastic can trap moisture and cause the parsley to wilt faster. Instead, wrap the stems in a damp paper towel and store it in the fridge. This helps maintain the right level of moisture without making the parsley soggy. Another great method is to stand the parsley upright in a glass of water, like a bouquet of flowers. This allows the stems to stay hydrated and the leaves to remain crisp. Cover the leaves loosely with a plastic bag. This creates a mini greenhouse effect, keeping the parsley fresh. Remember to change the water every couple of days. Fresh water prevents bacteria from growing and keeps the parsley healthy. By following these methods, you can keep your parsley fresh and flavorful for longer, ensuring you always have a supply of this versatile herb on hand. Section 5. Parsley, more than just a garnish. Parsley is packed with vitamins and minerals. It's a good source of vitamins A, C, and K. Parsley is also a natural breath freshener. Chew on a few sprigs after a meal to freshen your breath. Next time you're at the store, grab an extra bunch of parsley. It's a delicious and nutritious way to add flavor to your food.